Hey guys, so real quick, just wanted to show you how to get a good scribe on some tongue and groove where you're coming into a corner. This piece can oftentimes be pretty tough if you don't know what you're doing, so just wanted to give a quick tip here. First thing you want to do is leave the second one loose also, so that you can it's pretty easy, but basically you leave that one loose, you cut a block like this. This is exactly the width of the face of the tongue and groove plus one of the gaps, and you get your piece in there tight. This is the board that I'm scribing it to. We want a nice tight joint there. It's a little hard to film this, but I'm gonna put the camera back over here. Okay, so take your block. It's basically a scribe block. Just write it against your board, the one that you want to fit to, like so. And this is your scribe. Cut that off. What I like to do is just cut it close to the line with the table saw, like that, and then belt sand the rest. Alright, let's check it out. So here's my new piece, second one in. This is just some poplar nickel gap tongue and groove. I'm gonna have a top cap going across the top, so that doesn't matter. There you go. It's pretty hard to beat.